Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will continue with LusoCAD's layers. Now that we know how to create and edit layers, let's take a look at all the layer options we have available in the layer ribbon. The first one is Lay On. This will turn on all layers that were previously turned off in the drawing. Next we have Lay Thaw, which will thaw all frozen layers in the drawing. Lay Unlock will unlock the layer we select by clicking on an object in that layer. Lay Make Current will set the current layer by selecting an object in such layer. Layer Match will let us change an object's layer by selecting it, and then selecting another object with the layer we want to change it to. Layer State will allow us to manage saved layer states. Lay Off will serve as opposite to Lay On, turning off the layer of a selected object. Lay Freeze will freeze the layer of an object we select. Lay Lock will unlock it. Lay Isolate will make us select a layer by clicking on an object and then hide or lock every other layer. Lay Unisolate will restore all layers that were hidden or locked using Lay Isolate. Lay Current will let us apply the properties of the current layer to a selected object. Copy to Layer will copy objects from one layer to another. And Layer Previous will undo the last changes made to layer settings. This was all for the layer options. Thank you for watching the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy.